Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for joining me for Explore the Galaxy with myself, Michael Marks. Today, I'm actually traveling and I'm on location, so the microphone quality is a little off, so my apologies, but thank you so much for tuning in. And so, what we're going to go through today is using Galaxy's planner function to really speed through some of the processes that you have to do when creating an event. So for this scenario, I'm going to go ahead and build another showing for my theater, and it's going to be in a different location, and I want to show you what it's like to build the whole year, as well as make some changes on the fly. All right, so here we go. Well, first, I'm going to log in, right? And then next, we're going to go to Resource Management, and we're going to go to Reservations and select Planner. Now, you are able to access Planner via order entry as well. But since we are not using an order, of course, we can go directly in. So you can see, Theater A looks like it's going pretty well. Looks like someone stole the name of my show. That's fine. We'll be okay. But here, we'll go ahead and book something for our Theater B. So I'm going to say that it starts from 9 o'clock, and it usually ends by around 11:30. Okay. So I'll go ahead and create the event. And I'll say, let's call it Super Explore the Galaxy, right? Because it's way better than the other one. We'll select our event type, right? Because there's some things that you could have already pre-set up for that specific event type. So for example, theater. But let's talk about the scheduling portion. This is where life becomes easy. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to, let's say, the end of the year. Okay, all right. Oh, excuse me. So we're going to start it at the beginning of the year. My apologies, because I said we're going to do a full year, right? So we'll start from January 1st. Okay. All right. And then now we'll do is repeat through. We're going to go to the end of the year. All right. I know it sounds crazy. And it's going to happen Monday, Thursday, and Fridays. No Saturday, Sunday, and Tuesday showings. Okay. Now, I am going to say it happens every 3 hours as an interval, so it gives me about 30 minutes in between each showing to clean up, right? So I'll go ahead, and we'll say it happens 4 times a day, but you know what? The 3 o'clock never happens. So this way, we'll do the 9, the 12, and the 6. Now, why did I just do that? Because I want to be difficult. That's all. I want to make sure that I show you the flexibility of this process here. So next, we're going to go to Sales. This is really important. As you can see where I have default sales, this just means anywhere that this is sold, it's all just the one sales channel, but I want to make sure that if I'm going to book my theater, that I'm going to have that event, or should I say the showing, be taken off sale at least one day before, because I don't want someone showing up 2 hours beforehand in the parking lot and buying it, and I really don't have an accurate count, as well as I want to leave about 20% available for walk-up. And to do that, I'm going to select the eGalaxy Demo Sales as my sales channel. And I'm going to say it goes off sale one day before. Okay. As well as once it hits 80%, I need that to go off sale as well. That way, 20% is left for my walk-up sales, as well as I'm forcing them one day beforehand to book their event. If they're online, of course. We can take a look and see that the resources I'll be using is Theater B, okay? And there are no attributes I would like to add, but if you wanted to tag this event with something, so for example, if the specific showing has a category, maybe zoo lions, right? So you'd be able to tag that, and it would help your group bookings when it comes to searching for an event. We can attach any rosters here if we'd like, as well as any file we'd like to be sent with the event when it comes time for the booking. But let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to click OK. All right, now look at the way that it prepares those events. Normally, when we would build the events prior to Planner, the speed of this process just wasn't there. But now it is. Now, I do want you to take notice, there are some conflicts. That's because I have existing events going on at that time. So what it's going to do, it's going to build around it, which is really good. All right, that's it. We made Theater B. Now we want to go ahead and head over to the 2020, right? So there it is. There is my theater. Now, If at any point I wanted to go ahead and say, hey, on August 8th, 2020, as you can see here, I want to change the availability. So maybe we can reduce the capacity, right? So I could change the capacity, and I can choose to change the capacity for just this one instance, or I'm going to go ahead and change all 4 o'clocks for that time to 120. Okay, so now take notice, the 120 at 4 o'clock, okay? Same here when I move to the next week. And you can use that same type of filtering process when it comes to deactivating the event as well. So I find that to be really easy to use when I want to make mass changes. Or if I've built the whole year out and I want to delete only specific events out, this is also another easy way to do it. Well, I just wanted to give you a great overview of Planner and how to do what we could do today in Galaxy and how we can make it a little bit easier using Planner. I hope you enjoyed our time today. Thanks for listening to the background noise in my microphone. I do appreciate you, the understanding there. But catch me on the community. I'll see everyone there. Thank you.